In this video, we will discuss the basics of cryptocurrency trading. For beginners who are new to the world of digital currencies, understanding how cryptocurrency markets work can be overwhelming. In this video, we will provide essential information for those who are just starting out. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography for security purposes and operate independently of a central bank. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying, selling, and exchanging digital currencies through an online platform. These cryptocurrencies can be used as a form of payment, stored as an investment, or traded in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies either with fiat money or other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchange platforms act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers and provide a platform to trade. Each cryptocurrency has its unique set of rules, and prices fluctuate based on market demand and supply. Several factors affect cryptocurrency prices, including government regulations, media coverage, market demand and supply, and technological developments. It is crucial to keep up with these factors to make informed trading decisions. There are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, and each has its unique characteristics. The most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Understanding the differences between these currencies can help beginners make informed trading decisions. In conclusion, cryptocurrency trading can be a profitable investment, but it is vital to conduct thorough research and understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading. With the right knowledge and trading strategy, beginners can become successful cryptocurrency traders.